wow, this is the look that I've been going for. It's like a very effortless type of look. Oh my gosh, I love this hair. It just looks like a soft girl vibes, just effortless, not doing too much. Look at the baby hair, barely there, just real clean. If I wanted to put it in a clip, I could. If I wanted to put it in a ponytail, I could. Everything is just very simple and classy. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I get this look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I get this look, this hair is from Nadula Hair. Let's get into this video, guys. Hey guys, today this wig is from Nadula Hair. This is a body wave pre-cut wig. Body wave. So when you get your Nadula, I'm sorry if I sound stuffy, y'all. I've been kind of sick. It's gonna come with the box like this. We're gonna go ahead and put this unit on. Said we don't have to cut it or anything because it's already pre-cut. I'm gonna just pull all the hair back so I can see what's going on. And I'm gonna be using my Erica J glue. Okay guys, so we laid this part down here. I did have to cut a little bit of the lace because it was like, I don't know, it was just too far up, and I'm trying not to lay my unit so far up. I kind of want to push my units back a little more to give like a more natural look. So, you know, I had to like cut a little bit of the lace. I'm going to take a little bit more glue and put on the sides right up in here, because one thing about those sides, they come up, y'all. I was just telling my husband, like, I used to do my hair and stuff in the bathroom because I didn't have like a beauty room or anything like that. And I just feel like, girl, I can't see like I used to can see. I used to can see everything. Now it's like, I need close up. I need to put on some glasses to see what's going on. But so far, the lace is looking really nice, y'all. Okay, guys, so this is a very important part. So I plucked as much as I am going to pluck right now. So right now, I'm going to take some of the even lace mousse, and I'm going to put this around the hairline. This is something that I have to do with my units to make it look as flawless as possible. Okay, then I'll take a little bit of this mousse and also put it on the hair as well. You can take your other even foamy mousse. It works amazing on the hair as well. But I just use this on both. Then I just take my comb and just make sure everything is molded. So then I can really see what I need to pluck. Make sure that the lace is wet with the mousse, because this is gonna just make everything like blend into the scalp. I'm taking my Nadula little band right here, like this. Tie this up for about 10 minutes. So check your timer, and you should be good in about 10 minutes. Okay guys, so I feel like it's pretty much dry. It feels pretty dry. Okay, See how everything is looking really nice. And if it looks a little white or ashy around the hairline, don't worry about that. We'll get that right later. It's just that it's a little tan right there. So I love that mousse because it really like lays my hair down. The hair is super soft. So yeah. And I just want very loose curls. I don't want anything that's doing too much. Okay, you guys, so we are just going for some really soft curls. Just some very soft curls, barely there curls. Okay, you guys, so we just put some really loose curls in. You guys know I'm not the best of curling with the curling iron. I can curl good with the wand, but a curling iron, I'm just gonna be practicing more. So I'm just gonna take my fingers and pull the curls out. You guys know I don't like a curly hair. I don't like my curls to be like really defined. I just like really big, flowy, loose curls. And I'm gonna cut some layers in here because, baby, we need the volume. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. The curls exactly how I want it. The curls have filled. I put some layers in the hair. I did cut the hair a little shorter so it can look a little bit more fuller. That's just how I like it. I did a little small baby hair, not much, but this lace is so good, y'all. It's so pretty. I really like it. I love the way everything is looking. Look at those layers, y'all. And I just like cut so many layers. I used a little comb thing, as you guys saw, and I just cut layers. And then I just did, these are the type of curls I want. Very loose, wavy curls, not nothing too like this is so pretty. Like I want like blowout type of curls. I am going to use some Velcro rollers, like at least like 4 of them, just for like the top half, but I have to go buy them because I don't have them yet, or I probably order it off of Amazon. But I really like the way this unit looks, very clean and classy. So make sure you guys check out Nadula Hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I kind of showed you guys what I did with it, and it's just so effortless. Let me show y'all the back. Just very effortless type of curls. I haven't used any dry shampoo yet. This hair is so like, it feels thin because it's so light, but it has a nice natural density in it, and I really like it. So yeah, make sure you guys check them out. Love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you in my next hair review. Bye guys. Nadula.